Fuzzy sets type 1 and type 2 and their applications presented by Professor US Tiwari, IIT Allahabad for self-use only. Why fuzzy sets? It enables one to work in uncertain and ambiguous situations and solve ill-posed problems or problems with incomplete information. Example: fuzzy image processing. Human-like. Human visual system is perfectly adapted to handle uncertain information in both data and knowledge. It will be hard to define quantitatively how an object such as a car has to look in terms of geometrical primitives with exact shapes, dimensions, and colors. We use this descriptive language to define features that eventually are subjected to a wide range of variations. Fuzzy reasoning and probability. They are related but complementary to each other. Say, for example, if we have to define the probability of appearance of an edge in few frames of image, we have to define what is an edge. Certain there should for rate of variation has to be taken which may not be true for other images or noisy images. Fuzzy logic. Unlike probability handles imperfection in the informational content of the event. Two frameworks for fuzzy system. Development based on crisp mathematical model and fuzzifying some quantities. Model 1, fuzzy mathematical model. Example: fuzzy slash k means clustering. Number 2, development based on fuzzy inference rules. Model 2, fuzzy logical model. Example: fuzzy decision support system. Definition of fuzzy set. Concept for fuzzy set. Definition: membership function of fuzzy set. In fuzzy sets, each element is mapped to 0.1 by membership function, where 0.1 means real number between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. Definition of fuzzy set. Example: consider fuzzy set 2 or so. In this instance, universal set x are the positive real number. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and carry on. Membership function for a is equal to 2 or so. In this universal set, x is given as follow. Example of fuzzy set and linguistic term. A is equal to young, B is equal to very young. Example of fuzzy set: a is equal to real number near 0. Expansion of fuzzy set. Type n fuzzy set. The value of membership degree might include uncertainty. If the value of membership function is given by a fuzzy set, it is a type 2 fuzzy set. This concept can be extended up to type n fuzzy set. Example: type n fuzzy set. Fuzzy sets of type 2. A ratio x given as 0.1. The set of all ordinary fuzzy sets that can be defined with the universal set is also called a fuzzy power set of 0, 1. Operators: fuzzy complement. Requirement for complement function. Complement functions C 0.101. Axiom C1. C0 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to 0. Boundary condition. Axiom C2, A, 2, 0.1. If A greater than B, then CA is equal to greater than CB. Monotonic non-increasing. Fuzzy complement. Example of complement function: fuzzy union. Axiom for union function: fuzzy union. Example of union function: extension principle. The extension principle is a basic concept of fuzzy set theory that provides a general procedure for extending crisp domain of mathematical expression to fuzzy domain. This procedure generalizes an ordinary mapping of a function f to a mapping between fuzzy sets. Fuzzy relation and composition. suppose that g is a function from x to y and a is a fuzzy set on x defined as a is equal to a, then the extension principle states that the image of fuzzy set A under the mapping F can be expressed as a fuzzy set B is equal to FA, where